see you again, and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, always something cool, easy and tasty and I'll bacio. I'm going to make pork escalope with mushroom. Easy, typical Italian, you need 15 minutes to make this. I show you what we need. I'm gonna use, this is half kilo mushroom, champignon, but not the white one, the other one. Pork, you can use any slice you like, loin. I prefer the coppa. It's from the neck. It's really tasty. And I cut tasty. And I cut something like that. Okay. I'm gonna use some tomato paste, parsley, garlic. But this basically is for the mushroom. I'm gonna use just the wine, salt, and pepper, and flour. Okay. The mine is already on. Put all the steak. This is one way to do this in the flour. Easy and you don't make mess. Okay? Put inside everything. Easy. Like this. Close and shake. Like shake, baby. You know, like this. Out. You know, it's done. Try to take the whole flour. We're going to cook first the escalopes, and in the same pan we're gonna do the mushroom. Okay? Oil, a little touch of butter. Okay? And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, and check our website cookingwithanitalia.com. I need a fork. We're gonna cook quickly now because later we're gonna recook with the mushroom. Okay? Put inside. They're gonna cook 2.5, something like that. Okay? They're gonna have a very nice crust. Leave there. 2.5 minutes. If you like a little bit well done, but you can leave a little bit of. But don't forget, we have to put it inside. Okay? I wanna wash quickly this because I need to put again on. Okay? See you in 4 minutes. Okay, guys, 2 minutes, and then we turn. Look at the crust, beautiful. Okay? We're gonna add the wine. Always good wine, okay? It's good. Okay. It's 1 glass like that. Maybe I don't gonna need all, but put in. Wait the old wine evaporate, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Okay? Guys, 2.5, 3 minutes the wine is evaporated. You know you're gonna have this cream. Okay, now take off from the flame, take all your steak, escalope, sorry, they rest a little bit, they relax a little bit, they're gonna be absolutely soft, okay? Now, on this flavor, we put again on with garlic, we put a little bit more butter, okay? When the butter, and don't cover this because basically when the mushroom they almost done, we're gonna put everything inside. Okay. Now, all your mushroom. This is a half kilo of mushroom. I love mushroom. Okay. Leave there without lid. Leave to cook. On the meat, if you notice, I didn't put any salt and pepper. I'm start put some seasoning. Okay. Pepper, black pepper is good here. Eh? Salt. We need some garlic powder. If you like, guys, but it's very good. Sweet paprika, a little touch. And now we leave to cook. If you want with lid, it's more quickly, but I like without. because I need that. I need without because they're gonna leave the water. The mushroom, they have a lot of water inside, okay? And now leave it to cook 5 minutes. I'm gonna show you the next. Okay, guys, this is halfway, and now we put the tomato paste, some parsley. Parsley is quite very good inside here, eh? Leave some later we need. That's it. Now leave to cook. And soon, look at they're beautiful already. Look at. And soon, guys, we're gonna take the garlic out if you like. If not, you can leave. I love garlic. And we're gonna add again the steak. Now the 2 minutes done is the dinner is ready. Okay, guys. When the mushroom is ready, we did 6-7 minutes. I'm gonna take the garlic out. I remember I put 4. 1, 2, 3. Put another really 2 minutes. Look at the beautiful color. Done. And we really 2 minutes now, and it's ready to eat. Okay? See you in 2 minutes. Okay, guys, 2 minutes. Turn it off. Look the beautiful is. The parsley is left. Put that out. And my escalope, pork escalope with mushroom. Absolutely, the smell, guys, you don't believe. Is this easy? Try. In 50 minutes we did everything. And if you like, guys, finger up and follow us. Ciao.